So today's phrase is I don't care. Maybe you're trying to say it doesn't bother you, but this phrase can sound a bit harsh, right? Instead, let's use some alternatives that sound more empathetic. Instead of saying I don't care, try these. It's not a big deal to me, but let's go with what works best for you. Or I'm flexible, let's do what you prefer. You could also say, either way is fine by me, what do you think?
Either way is fine.
Me.
I'm fine, either way.
Or I'm open to your suggestion. I'm good with whatever you choose.
I'm open to suggestions.
Okay. I'm open to suggestions.
Whatever you choose.
Whatever you choose, I choose also.
See how these alternatives show you're easygoing, but also respectful of the other person's thoughts. It helps keep the conversation positive and open. These phrases are great for casual chats or when you really don't mind either way, but want to sound more considerate. They let the other person know their opinion matters. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And make sure to check out the other videos in our Don't Say series for more ways to improve your English communication. Until next time, don't just say, I don't care, be more thoughtful. See you in the next one.